Hello everyone, I'm Rithvik, studying class 10 from AKG Public School, Chennai, and my project is titled Using Natural Indicators to Determine pH. Did you know that nature itself provides tools to explore chemistry in our daily lives? In this project, I explore how natural substances like onion and hibiscus extracts can serve as pH indicators to determine the acidity or alkalinity of common household items. First, I washed the hibiscus petals thoroughly and boiled them in water. After cooling, I filtered the solution to obtain a pink colored substance with pink color liquid which serves as an indicator. Similarly, I boiled chopped onions and filtered the solution to obtain a light pink colored liquid. pH is a scale that measures the acidity or alkalinity of a substance ranging from 0 to 14. Substances with a pH less than 7 are acidic, more than 7 are basic, and exactly 7 is neutral. Indicators are substances that change color depending on the pH of their environment. Natural indicators like the extract I've used contains pigments such as anthocyanin in hibiscus and flavonoids in onions, which react with acid and bases to produce different colors. This concept is widely used in chemistry labs, agriculture, and even food science to check the soil pH, water quality, and more. Now, I'm going to test the substances like lemon juice and baking soda solution by adding small amount to each other. First, I add the lemon acid. So here. As you can observe, this color indicates the presence of an acid. Now, I am adding baking soda. This color indicates that it has a presence of base. Now, I am taking the onion extracts. Adding acids such as lemon juice here makes the color light pinkish, as you can see here. When adding basics such as baking soda, it changes the color to this. We observe that when hibiscus extract is reacted with lemon acid, it forms a dark pink color. When hibiscus extract reacts with baking soda, it forms a grey color. When onion extract reacts with lemon juice, it forms light pink color, and when it is reacted with baking soda, it forms a light green color. This project highlights how simple natural resources can reveal the hidden chemistry around us. It's a reminder that science doesn't always need complex tools. Sometimes all you need is flour or an onion. Thank you.